Hello and welcome to our idiom in a minute. Let's kick off our lesson today with this idiom. This is not, and this is cup of tea. Today, this is our idiom, not my cup of tea. What does it mean? You don't like it. Examples: sports aren't my cup of tea. Some people like jazz music, but it's not my cup of tea. Last one, it's not my cup of tea. Another example: thanks for inviting me, but concerts are not really my cup of tea. Quiz time. Complete the sentence. I don't enjoy football. It's space. Your answer is splendid, not my cup of tea. Let's recap. Not my cup of tea means I don't like it. Now it's time for our challenge. It's my cup of tea. What does it mean? If you know, tell us. Until next time, happy learning.